Okay, so I'm back with another garage sale find. Let's see what we got here. I'm going to turn this away because it is quite bright. It's quite bright when it works. Must be something inside that's not allowing that to work. Okay, so basically I picked this up at a garage sale for $5 Canadian. Okay, and while I'm walking around, buddy turns around and says, well, here, take this one for free. I'm like, what? So if you buy that one, what happened is this one, it looks like it's in perfect condition, which they're both the same unit, but this one doesn't work. Nothing. And I don't really know anything about these. So let's see if we can swap out, because this lens is badly damaged. Let's swap this lens out and put this gut inside of this one and see what happens. A little bit. I mean, anybody be proud to have this. And anybody be super proud to have this for $5. It took me no time to do. I got extra parts. And I generally just had fun doing it. Double check, we'll make sure it works again. Turn that up there. Did I know it was going to work? No. Am I glad that it works? Oops, sorry, I didn't realize about the light thing, but no jigglies, no nothing. Awesome, 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 awesome. Turn it off here. Then unplug it. I'll put a cord wrapper on this thing to keep the cord all kept so it doesn't bang into other things, but yeah, we're done. And wow, that light is bright. I caught myself and it just pretty much took out my vision for a little bit here. I am ecstatic about this. I am more happy that I fixed this than if I would have gotten this for a gift. You tool guys know exactly what I'm talking about. Awesome.